The Thoth Tarot in less than 10 minutes. Hi everyone, Tarot with Joe here. In this video, I'm going to be going through the entire Thoth deck and giving you the esoteric significance of each card in less than 5 minutes, hopefully. Please note that this is just a super condensed encryption of very large ideas and is mostly used for fun and for your own study purposes. So if you want to know more, reach out to me. I can give you more resources, and I also teach tarot mentorship one-on-one and sometimes have group classes going on. Okay, let's get started. The Fool, nothingness. The Magus, everythingness, infinite. The High Priestess, everythingness with light. The Empress, love. The Emperor, the self. The Hierophant, initiation. The Lovers, division. The Chariot, emanation of the self. Adjustment. The Hermit, the secret creator. The Wheel of Fortune, the manifest universe in change. Lust, magic. The Hanged Man, passivity. Death. Art, union, alchemy. The Devil, the desire in the material universe, generation. The Tower, chaos. The Star, sky goddess. The Moon, dark night of the soul. The Sun, life and freedom. The Aeon, a new era and a whole cosmology. The Universe, the great work accomplished. Ace of Wands, Big Bang. Two of Wands, the first directionality. Three of Wands, development of the first motion or the first mover. Four of Wands, completion, establishment, and first structure. Five of Wands, first obstacle, first friction. Six of Wands, harmony, descending from the Ace of Wands and all the others. Seven of Wands, the continuation of fire and the will of fire on a lower plane. Eight of Wands, the submission of fire, but also the directionality of fire, acceleration. Nine of Wands, the culmination of fire, change equals stability. 10 of Wands, the overpowering of fire. Ace of Cups, the moon, the sacred feminine, receptive power. Also the Holy Spirit. Two of Cups, love itself. Love as a manifestation of the power of water. Three of Cups, the ability and allowance of form. Persephone and Hades. Four of Cups, the comfort of the moon, stored emotional power, maybe luxury, enjoyment, but stasis. Five of Cups, the removal of water, the challenges of water and dryness, breakup card. Six of Cups, the beginning of desire, the commencement of a wish, sexuality, and harmony of water. Seven of Cups, imbalanced desire, perversion of sexuality. Eight of Cups, the absence of desire or absence of water, absence of motivation. Nine of Cups, the wish fulfilled, desire fulfilled, happy card. 10 of Cups, desire fulfilled too much, the wish overly granted. Ace of Swords, invocation, idea, the power of mind, and magic. Two of Swords, consciousness, aware of itself. Three of Swords, inherent suffering of the human condition. Four of Swords, established awareness from multiple parties, entities. Five of Swords, unestablished awareness or disagreement in intellect, mind, also ego. 6 of Swords, harmonious mind working in the right way. 7 of Swords, unique path, difficulty in self versus otherness. 8 of Swords, people pleasing, the intellect on overdrive. 9 of Swords, the continued fall of the intellect into madness, the complete destruction of intellect in the 10 of Swords. Ace of Discs, the power of the sun on the earth. Interesting one. 2 of Discs, change, material change, which is what the earth suit is all about. 3 of Discs, work in a direction, inspired work activity, inspired production. 4 of Discs, established material things or situation. 5 of Discs, our incessant war with time and the illusion of time and the mind versus the material. 6 of Discs, efforts done harmoniously, harmonious giving and taking, and just success. 7 of Discs, a slowdown, the question of continuing unproductive directions. 8 of Discs, productive directions, continuing without necessarily much effort. 9 of Discs, culmination of the material universe, and this is where we actually get money. This is where money is introduced in the system. This is more like the growth of crops. This is money. And this is that money growing beyond you and legacy and systems, civilizations, societies, and culture. Knight of Discs, our father of fire, the supernal fire. He is lightning and initiating force. Queen of Wands, our mother of fire, harnessing the power of fire into form. She might be the color of fire or the fluidity of fire. Prince of Wands could be combustion, explosion, the son of fire, the mind applied to fire. Princess of Wands would be the earth receiving fire and volcanic eruption. Also fuel. Knight of Cups, the initiator of water, or father of water. This would be the first. All the knights are like the first mover, the first motions of the universe or creative process. So Knight of Cups would be the first mover of water. Queen of Cups would be the harnessing of water, or mother of water. Prince of Cups is the son of water, which would be the higher self in regards to the emotions and the intuition. This is Knight of Cups is waves, waters, rain. Queen of Cups is the deep ocean, the reflection of water. Prince of Cups would be the hydrostatic aspects of water and steam, air and water together. The mind applied to emotions and intuition. Princess of Cups would be the aspect of water to give life. This is a really deep one. She is Earth's reception of water, crystallizing into form and life. The Knight of Swords would be the first initiation of mind, the aspiration and desire of the mind, mental activity, and its capacity to initiate change, force. Queen of Swords, the harnessing of that intellectual fire into something more balanced. She's also very much about balance and clarity and mind and intuition working together. So she's our mother of air. Our son of air, he is the higher self in the world of mind, the master of the world of ideas, theory, and also the self-concept of humanity. I've actually never said that before, but that is really what this is talking about. I learn things literally about tarot all the time, like as I'm teaching, as I'm thinking, yeah. Princess of Swords, intellect and mind applied to the material universe, also the anger of the gods, the wrath of the gods and goddesses. Knight of Discs, our father of earth, initiator of earth, the will of the earth to produce. Queen of Discs, the will of the earth to take part in the great work, the will of the earth and the material universe to take part in ecosystem habitat co-creation, which is a deep one too. Earth and water are deep together. Everything's deep together, but she's earth and water, and then the Princess of Cups is earth and water as well. Prince of Discs, application of the intellect to earth, the son of earth, and Princess of Discs, the final result, the full culmination, and the signal to reintegrate back into the beginning. So, if you like this video, let me know, subscribe, comment, smash that subscribe button, whatever. Let me know your thoughts. Reach out to me if you want more information. I'd love to work with you. My name is Tarot with Joe. You can find me at tarotwithjoe.com, and you can find my Instagram, which is Tarot with Joe. And anything social media is probably Tarot with Joe. tarotwithjoe@gmail.com. Yeah, much love.